Then you comment good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Let's comment short of this video because it's amazing. Look at this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I received a new update. A new update for iOS 15. Are you ready? I want to make the update with you right now and see if it's working very well. Ha ha ha. I'm ready. Are you ready to do this? Okay, let's go. Look at that. This is a brand new iOS. Let me open iOS 64. You can see operating system right now iOS 15.2. I received a new update and I'm ready to update this phone. Okay, this is easy. Go on settings. You have general. You can see software update. Let's click checking for update and look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. You can see iOS 15.2.1 contains bug fixes for your iPhone, including messaging and so much more. Okay, no problem. This is almost 1 gigabyte. Okay, now let's enter my passcode to download this. And we go. The process started. Look at that. Update requested. You need to wait some minutes and let's do it. Look at 4 minutes remaining. Okay, you need to wait. This is my new network connection. It's so powerful. It's so beautiful. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. It's doing a good job right now. Ha! Okay. No, you need to wait 3 minutes. Okay. Make sure that you have charged your phone. You need 50% of battery before installing this new update without your charger. Okay? Thank you. The process is so fast when you have a good network connection. Internet network is beautiful. I love it. Now you need to wait. And this is my face. I'm here for you. Don't forget to like a share. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Ha. This is good. This is cool. This is amazing. Ha ha ha. What? About 1 minute remaining. Okay. 1 minute now. Cool. Good. This one is so beautiful. Look at. Design. This is like iPhone 13. This is why I have not buy iPhone 13 because iPhone 12 is so beautiful. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's so nice. Woo! So beautiful for me. It's the same phone. In the next iPhone, I want to see the USB Type C here. If I can see the USB Type C here, I will not buy this. About 35 seconds remaining. Ha! You need to wait. This thing cannot take my times. It's not fast because of my brand new network connection speed. This is cool. Look at that. What are you doing here? Nicki Minaj, what are you doing here? And we go. 1 second remaining right now. Ha ha ha. Wait. It's cannot take so much time now. Okay, downloading done. Now you can see preparing update. Okay, wait for that. Automatic updates is on, as you can see. Huh. And you can see preparing update. Your phone will reboot many times after. Ha. Don't worry. Okay, good news. You can see download it. Okay, now you can click on install now. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you need to wait for some verification, verifying update. No problem. Ha ha ha. Mm-mm-mm. Your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry, it's normal. And this is what I'm talking about. Where is the Apple logo right now? A phone shine. Apple logo appear and disappear. You can see something here. This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful. And the update process started. You need to wait some minutes. Charge your phone if you are under 50% of battery. Now, what can I do? Okay, and as you can see, the update process started. Are you ready? Now wait for finishing. And the process continue. Look at that. What? Where my phone? Follow me. Take a seat because the phone is here. And I'm ready to go. Ha ha ha. Look at. Oh, I have a new message. I have a new message. Software update. So you ready? Ha ha ha. It's done. Okay, this one is here. It's beautiful. New update. You need your passcode, and now you can access to your phone easily. Wow, this is good. This is cool. This is amazing. You believe us? I love it. Okay, let's see everything in the 64 application. Look at here. iOS 15.2.1 is definitely update right now. Can you see this? Okay, this is cool. Now let's see variable RAM. Look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. What about battery health? Battery health. Let's see. Maximum capacity 93%. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is a new phone, brother. A new phone. Now we'll look at what I have. This phone still new. Okay, cool. What about Face ID? Is it always fast? Nice. Beautiful. As you can see, it's working. Okay, battery percentage. Look at 64%. Cool. Nice. Nothing to say about this. What about the camera? Still fast, no problem. Pro cam. Let's try to record something. Okay, flash on. Nice. Pause and resume. Always working, as you can see. No, stop. Nice, it's working. Click on recording again. Start recording. And okay, nice. Stop it. Saving. Okay, it's working. The both camera working. No problem. Let's watch my video here. Very good. It's working. Definitely. Okay. This is cool. This is nice. It's good. What about gameplay or something? I will test this by myself. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on share because it's amazing. God bless you all, and I'll see you later for more videos in next video for the next video for the. Thank you for watching. Wow, look at that. This is cool, Baba.